Let me say we have a 2x squared plus 4x plus 3, for example. This one, we are going to do one by one. For example, if I do this one, this side only, let me say fx, the derivative of this one will be 4x. This one will be, because we have 4, and this one constant will be 0, which is equal to 4x plus 4. The derivative of, for example, the derivative of 3x power 5 plus 2x minus 2 plus 6. Let me say this one will be the derivative of, the derivative will be 5 times 3, then answer 31. From the power will be 15x power 4 plus this one negative 2 times 2 will be negative 4x. Then this one minus 2, I will subtract negative 1 again, will be negative 3. This one constant will be 0. This is the final. So if I simplify, will be 15x power 4 minus 4x power negative 3. Another one from here will be, let me say x b minus x power c, then d. Let me say d. This will be, this one I'm going to do this b and multiply the front. For example, let me use last letters. Will be bx b minus 1, then minus cx, this c I will multiply here, then as 31 be c minus 1. This one we don't have x, it's correct, that will be 0, so there's no need to read. Thank you very much for watching this one. I hope you have understood this one. Let us continue, my friends. So that will be fx. Let us do complicated one is x power 3 plus 7x square minus 8x plus 7. For me to do this one, I'm going to differentiate by parts. 3, this one, if I differentiate this one, I'm going to multiply these 3 front, will be 3x. Then 3, this 3, I'm going to subtract 1, minus 1. Again, this one has finished. Now let us come to here. This one will be 2 times this 7, will be 14x 2 minus 1. Don't forget minus 1. Minus, we have minus here, 8, because we have 1 here. 1 times 8 will be 8x. 1 minus, again subtract 1. This one is constant here, we are going to put 0. This will be equal to 3 minus 1 will be 3x square plus, this one will be 2 minus 1 will be 1. 14x, this one will be 1 minus 1 will be 0. X power 0 will be 1. 1 times negative 8 will be negative 8. This is how I'm simple like this. The next question is here. Root of x. This one, some students is very complicated. This one, I'm going to write this one. Root Square root means a half. This means x power a half. I'm going to do this one. This half I'm going to bring front. 1 over 2x will be a half minus 1. Then a half x, a half minus 1 will be negative a half. Yes. This one, how am I going to do this one? If I don't want a negative, will be 1 over 2 x power a half. X power a half means root of x. This means 1 over 2 root of x. This is how we do this one. Thank you very much. So let me do another one here. The other one will be x squared outside x power 3 plus 7. Before doing anything, I'm going to multiply inside. X squared times x cubed will be x power 5. Then plus x squared times 7 will be 7x squared. This means I'm going to differentiate now. 5 times this one. 5 I'm going to bring here will be 5x power 4 plus 2 times 7 will be 14. X here I'm going to subtract 1. Okay, let me not forget this one. So this one will be, thank you very much. Another one I'm going to multiply, I'm going to solve this one. Will be cube root. Let me say x. This means this is how am I going to do as a power. I'm going to write like this one, x power a third. This means I'm going to bring a third front, then 1 over 3 minus 1. 1 over 3 minus 1. This means 1 over 3 x negative 2 over 3 will be. This, if I don't want this one, I'm going to do this one. 1 over 3, if I don't want the negative, will be root of cube. This is a cube, x power square. That's how we do this one. Thank you very much for your watching. Another complicated question here. This means I'm going to solve this one. 3x is power 4 plus 7. Again, x cube minus 5x. This one is 2 parts, 2 fractions. Yani. This one, let me take like a gx and here fx. Let me take like this one. So that this one, how am I going to do this one? The derivative of gx, I will multiply the derivative, without derivative of fx, without the derivative of fx, then plus the derivative of fx times the function of gx without derivative. Okay, this is a formula, general formula. Let me prepare before gx, derivative gx and derivative of fx. For example, gx, derivative gx will be this one. The derivative of 4 times 3 will be 12 x power 3. And this one is constant, it will be 0. Fx will be this one, will be 3x squared minus 5. I hope you understood. Now we have prepared the derivatives. Now I'm going to use this formula. The derivative of gx will be 12 x cubed times the derivative of fx here is x cubed minus 5x plus the derivative of x will be 3x squared minus 5. Then multiply by gx. Gx is somewhere here. 3x power 4 plus 7. I'm going to remove this bracket. This one times this one will be 12x. We have x